Hello guys, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. Well, you can see I got something to unbox here. Saint Laurent. Okay, so again, this is, I don't know, how do you pronounce this? So this is actually pronounced as Saint Laurent. Okay, as usual, we'll look at the box first. It's a really plain black box. Okay. Put this aside as well. So it comes with a nice carrying case or a carrying bag. And yeah, it's a female handbag. It's not mine. Okay. Obviously, it's for a female. This is a very nice carrying pouch. Put it aside. Okay, so this is how the bag looks like. Yes, and blood. There's the company logo right there at the front. I believe this is made of CALFSKIN. Alright, to remove the strap protector. Okay, so again, this is the front. We'll take a look at the back. Okay, this is the carrying strap. So the strap has a few holes for height adjustment, and you got a little fancy design here. Okay. Paris Saint-Laurent. I don't know how to pronounce this. Right. Let's take a quick look inside. So of course it's the junk. Warranty, I believe. I don't know what this is. It says made in Italy. Some instruction manual. So that's the inside. It's a pretty small handbag, but it does have some space inside to carry quite a lot amount of things. So that's the unboxing video for this YSL bag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't, comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.